Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get ads for extra rewards in Candy Crush Saga. Sometimes when you're playing Candy Crush Saga, you might notice that the option to watch ads for extra rewards isn't showing up. I actually ran into this myself when I ran out of moves during a level and expected the usual watch an ad for extra moves option, but nothing appeared. In most cases, the first thing to check is your internet connection. Ads only load when the game can connect to online services, so make sure your phone is connected to either Wi Fi or mobile data. Once you turn your connection on, reopen the game and continue playing a level. When you run out of moves, lives, or need extra time, the game may present a short ad you can watch in exchange for rewards like additional moves or a few more lives. If the option still doesn't appear, try restarting the app so it refreshes its connection. Keep in mind that ads are sometimes shown selectively, so they may not appear every single time. But having a stable connection usually gives you the best chance of seeing them while playing. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.